I will never get tired of that view. What do you think, Rocky? Did you just go chase a bunny? Yeah, you did. Turns out it's another thing you won't respond to your Zap for. Good Thursday morning. My shirt says it all. Also, I contemplated wearing this shirt because it's tight, and you know what? I haven't been feeling great lately about myself because I have been out of shape. And you know, when I did 75 hard, when I started that, I was in amazing shape. I felt good. I was really strong, and I just felt really good. And I just have been out of that because, well, I thought it was my stress. Well, probably was a little bit of my stress, but also my iron levels were so low that I was like, I had no energy. So, you know, it's hard to come when I think about like how I was and think about how much work it was to get there. It's like intimidating to start over, but I'm not really starting over. I'm just picking up where I left off, kind of. Oh, they fixed Chrissy's bench. Nice. Nature vibes. Little duckies. What are you looking at? No, it's hot. Can we not eat that? Thanks. Please don't. Please. Hey, hey. No thanks. Is it wet out there? What do you think? I think it rained last night, Rocky. Good boy. Let's go home. Leave it. No, we're not going in there. Nope, no, 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 no. Leave it. Good boy. Oh, what is on your face? Dirty boy. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Mama. I'm just looking. This lady just came in and she was, are your blueberries really ripe? And I was like, yeah they are. She was like, well, I just had a few and they're really, really tart. And I was like, I don't know what to tell you. I ate some this morning and they were very sweet. And she was like, well, I don't like them. And everyone else in my group thinks they're delicious. And I'm like, okay, then maybe it's you. Look at this little baby worm in the garlic. Woo, rain, rain, rain. Beautiful rain. Here's my new sweatshirt. Can you see? We just got back from the movie. I was sorely disappointed with how much they left out. Like, they didn't have an entire plot line in there, and I also fell asleep in the theater. I was like, and they didn't use the Taylor Swift song in the movie, which I thought was false advertisement. But you liked it.
I did like it.
Disappointed. I guess if I hadn't read the book, I would have liked it. But there's just so much that, I don't know. So much that they left out.